Hi everyone, and welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland. First, we'll start with the room tour. This is at the Disneyland Hotel. When you first come in, you see a little bit of the room, but we're going to start off right when you enter with the closet. You can see some shelving and a hair dryer. We'll get the light on, and some robes and the slippers, and some top shelving, some hangers. I'm just gonna move my bags out of the way, but you have laundry bags if you need to do some laundry for the hotel to pick up. Pretty long closet space, so you can put some suitcases at the bottom there. And then right behind us, on the opposite wall, is the full-length mirror, and that's next to the restroom. And we'll see that in a little bit. We'll go with the little drink station here, some water bottles, an espresso, a tea kettle, and they have a picture of the water kettles throughout history, it looks like. In the drawers, you have a safe, a mini fridge, and teas with some creamer and sugar packets, some mugs, little cups for the kids, it looks like, and ice bucket. In the fridge, looks like you can order some room service or something for them to bring you. You have an espresso, some water bottles. Those are complimentary. And an area here to hang your coats, to sit, put on your shoes, maybe store your bags like we did. On the dresser, you have a pretty decent sized TV. On the dresser, we have some happy birthday gifts because we are traveling, and our birthday is soon to come. It has the view of almost the whole space. And the dresser has 6 drawers and come in deep enough, just standard size. You can keep some clothes in there that you can fold it up. And you have 2 chairs and a table, a lamp and some tissues around a mirror. And they have the out of the country plug-in. See the curtains. You have some space on the side there. Let's see if maybe there might be a trundle. Nope, doesn't look like that one has a trundle. You can see the hidden Mickey in the carpet though. And you have 2 beds. I don't think they're queen size. They might be like full size, but um, tight fit with 4 people. And you have the fairy godmothers on the bedposts, or on the bedpost there, and on the headboard, and then Tinkerbell on the other. Sorry, I couldn't remember her name. And a notepad. You have some more shelving down there. And keep some items. And there's like a portfolio in here that looks like some coupons that you can use in the shop downstairs. You have a phone, another little charger router thing there. And look at this lovely painting of the Disneyland Hotel with the gang having fun. And just a little side table, corner table there for some more shelving. You can see the crown molding. Just going to go around the room. It's nice. It does look a little dated hotel, but kind of classic. So, um, you know, the hall to the door, the bathroom. You can see the shower curtain in the sink area here. The mirror looks like you have a little Snow White themed toothbrushes, emery board. And the mirror, you can see Snow White and the dwarfs around the frame. You can see where the counter meets, that's the separation with the toilet, so you don't have a separate door for the toilet. And you have the wallpaper, Standard toilet. It's not your, it's just what you're used to. In the shower, you can see it's just a detachable shower head. You don't have one. You have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in a tub, great for kids. And your towel is a clothesline if you need to hang stuff if you swim. Heading outside, you have a kind of rectangular balcony, and you have 2 chairs and a table that you can use. You see the door there, and you can see the hotel lit up. It still looks very beautiful in the nighttime. The maze is lit up. You can see walkways, and somewhere out there is the sea, but we will hopefully see that in the morning. It's 7:46 in the morning. It's a little bit overcast. You can see from our room balcony, we have the balcony with the sea view. You can see the maze and the walkways, the foliage, beautiful. The beautiful hotel. It gives you the Grand Floridian vibe. Maybe modeled after it, I'm not sure. And the staircase is leading from the lobby down to the courtyard. Such a beautiful hotel. So great. I'm excited to check it out. And thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.